Desktop Metal's binder jetting equipment precisely align drops of binder from our print engines with every edge of a part's design. We spread that fine layer of powder, and then we print tiny droplets on top to bind the material together into the desired geometry. After each layer is created, the build platform shifts down and a new layer of powder is spread on top of the layer just created. This process is repeated until the job is complete. Our print heads can create images with up to 1,600 dots per inch, creating feature resolutions as small as 16 microns. All of this happening in an automated lights-out process at speeds needed to scale 3D printing into true mass production. The Desktop Metal shop system features bed-to-bed powder deposition, an easy-to-use technology for any manufacturing shop. A high-resolution print engine spans across the entire bed, producing picoliter droplets from over 70,000 nozzles spread across 5 redundant channels. Print bar redundancy is critical to ensure that any blocked nozzles do not result in print defects. The shop system is designed to make process adoption of metal binder jet additive manufacturing quick and easy. On Desktop Metal's X series binder jet printers, a spreading technology called ACT is utilized. The X series is a platform of 3 machines that scale from R&D to serial production. ACT technology uniquely positions these machines to handle a wide variety of materials, from fine metal alloys with an average particle size of 9 microns, all the way up to technical ceramics like silicon carbide. ACT targets 3 challenging aspects of creating a thin, uniform layer of powder: dispensing, spreading, and compacting. This 3-tiered solution combines an ultrasonic hopper with unique spreading and compaction rollers, creating highly dense green parts and fully dense sintered parts, all with precision tolerances. Single pass jetting, or SPJ, which is deployed on our Desktop Metal production series, is designed to be the fastest method to additively manufacture complex metal parts. The SPJ print engine integrates the print heads, ink management, powder metering, and compaction process all into one. Hoppers meter fresh powder onto the bed through 2 counter-rotating rollers. This is called constant wave spreading technology, and it creates a consistent bed density. Anti-ballistics modules treat the freshly compacted powder bed for stability during the printing process. With a single pass of this integrated carriage, deposition, compaction, and binder jetting are performed concurrently to dramatically accelerate printing with unprecedented speed, completing full layers in a single pass in seconds. With the industry's leading minds in binder jet technology here at Team DM, we feature a portfolio of binder jetting technology to meet the needs of every kind of user.